Okay, so let's talk about how you access help when you need it. Um, with your icons on the left, you'll see this little question mark, says help down the bottom there. If you select that, you'll see some different options here for help. So um, most of your help stuff will come from search the Canvas guides, and any question that I've had so far, I've been able to find the answer there. You can report problems if you want. If it's not doing something that you think it should be able to do, you can report a problem there. Um, if if you can't find the answer to your question in the guides, you might want to put it out there to the community, ask a question, and other users can respond to your question. And if you've got an idea, they've got this process whereby you can submit ideas, and basically the community votes on the ideas, and the ideas that get the most votes will probably be looked at by Instructure for development within Canvas. But I think probably most of the interest would be within search the Canvas guides, and I've certainly found this useful so far. It's just waiting for it here. All right. Um, you can see the different guides that are available here, and probably the two that are of most, I guess, interest for us would be the instructor guide, because we're instructors, and the student guide, as we help students become familiar with how to use Canvas as well. But if I go into the instructor guide, um, pretty much any term that you can think of within Canvas is listed here, and then there's other aspects of each of those help items, if you like, as well. So if, for example, I was to go into quizzes, it takes me to a ton of questions about quizzes, and generally speaking, I think most of the questions that I would have about a quiz and how to develop them and how to use them would be here. And then I go into that, it tells me what to do. So the help the help area is really good. I haven't been able to find, so I haven't had a situation where I've had a question that I haven't been able to find the answer to using this area. One thing I would say is I had a grand plan initially to download the PDF manuals. Wasn't a good idea. The instructor manual was 2,509 pages long. I was going to photocopy that for everyone initially, and that turned out not to be a great idea. So probably I think in most cases just go to the individual area of help that you actually need. Another thing to mention is that in the first year of implementation, we've actually paid for Tier 1 support, which means that there's going to be a number that we can call, and you get support 24 hours a day. So you call that number and someone will be on the line at the other end of the phone, waiting to talk to you about what it is that you want to do. So that's help, how you access help within Canvas.